NKTR stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. More so Monday, right? Upcoming next week. Am I buying or am I not? Well, Nektar Therapeutics. Let's talk about it. Well, 24% increase in price, sick. I've made well over 39,000 videos, you know, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. I've collected the data to back my claims up as well on this YouTube channel. And I'm really curious to see if I have any receipts here, NKTR in the Discord, which seems like I don't, which is solid. Not a bad thing. Not the worst thing in the world, but yeah, you can see like I saw the first break and all I was really waiting for is the second one, because then that would have been like a just nirvana for me buying, but never got that second break, therefore never acted upon this. And you can tell I just abandoned this chart, never looked at it. I mean, most of the market was also going down, so it's fair enough. Now looking at NKTR, okay, I see. I mean, the current 4-hour range is definitely coming up from these highs. And unless I see a full candle close above 67 cents, then why the heck would I look to take things up? I simply will not. In this case, even, maybe there's like some sort of shift. Yeah, maybe then we'll look to take it down. But other than that, randomly selling, in my eyes, it's not going to be happening. So I will obviously continue to keep you updated. In the meantime, I will just keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.